fishing. This is part 2 of our Kansas series. As I approached out onto this bridge to begin magnet fishing, there was this memorial here, so I thought I'd take a moment to share that and honor whatever it is that's being memorialized here. I'm not sure if it was an accident or something, but it was pretty and someone took the time to make it, so let's see what we can catch. It's a real shame the audio was off on the camera again because it was such a nice day and there was hardly any wind. Every now and then it would gust up a little bit, but for the most part, it was a really nice peaceful day. It's a little cloudy, but temperature was good, airflow was good, even though we're right on the side of kind of a main road there in Wichita. The road noise wasn't too bad most of the time. I was a little unsure what to do here. The railing was kind of high. Wasn't sure how well our magnet fishing was going to go, but I was able to climb up on the concrete part and lean against the railing, which did mean a lot of up and down as I have to climb on it and climb back down to get things in the bucket. That's right, it was still a good day. What have we got on our first throw? Looks like some leaves under some small debris. Right before this throw, some woman had been driving by behind me and she stopped in the middle of the road, blocking traffic, to ask me if I was magnet fishing. I kind of laughed a little bit and told her that's exactly what I was doing. And she asked if I'd caught anything yet. I told her I'd just started. And then the next throw, here I found something other than some leaves. It's giant. It looks like, I don't know, giant handlebars, like handlebars from a giant's motorbike or something. I guess just a big piece of rebar that was bent into that shape. But it's really strange. It was heavy. And there were a bunch of leaves stuck there between the magnet and the rebar. Here's an important safety tip. If you set your thing that you found up against the wall and try to pull the magnet off this way, hold the thing down against the wall or you might whack yourself in the head. I didn't. I decided to just lay it down before giving it a good yank to get the magnet off. There, I've moved over a bit and I can see some debris there right on the edge of the water. There's a little bit of a sand dune or something coming up under the bridge, and I can see some items in the water there, so I've decided to try and snag those. Worked pretty well. This magnet will pick up so many things. Looks like we've got a can. Some sand left in that. Actually put things in the bucket. This looks like a can of luncheon loaf, meatloaf of some sort, and it's not open. So there's meat in there. Anybody hungry? And a can lid, and another can. Looks like it could be some potted meat. Now we've moved on to the other side of the road on the same bridge. First cast off this side. I can see down in the water what looks like maybe just a log or a stick, but suspicion that it might be something more, so I try to maneuver the magnet to it. What do you know? Snagged right onto it. Let's rinse it off a little bit. What do you think it is? Wow, don't fall. That has got to be the cleanest pipe I've ever pulled out of any water with a magnet. Next through out, pull it along. There does appear to be something there in the water because, oh, it's got heavy. You can see the way the water changes colors, the muck or whatever it is. It's come out of whatever it is that we've caught. And of course, when things fill with water and muck and sand and mud, they tend to get heavier. No idea what this is. Looks like it's got a little antenna or something sticking off of it. No, there's two different things on the magnet. Oh, making a mess. Well, the pole itself isn't magnetic, but the end that's wrapped in tape is. Some kind of arrow. I don't know, put that in the bucket. Let's check out this other thing that is so nasty. It's got a power cord. Looks like some kind of fuse on the back. Oh, regulated power supply. I moved down a couple times and tried a couple more throws, but the water's pretty clear here and it's not very deep. So it's about the only chance I really had, I thought, of finding anything else was going to be under the bridge, and didn't seem to be having much luck with that. So packed up my things, and as I was heading back to the car, I found somebody who was local to the area who could take that giant piece of rebar. I think they were going to scrap it and use that money. I told them, hey, take it, give it freely because I don't have the room in my car for it anyway. And saved me the trouble of trying to find somebody else to take it. So if you like our videos, don't forget to click like and subscribe and leave comments on where you'd like to see us go next. This is part of our Kansas series. We'll be wrapping up in a couple more videos here. We try a couple more spots. And we'll see you next time.